No money? No problem. Earning online starts now. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some amazing ways you can earn money online without spending a dime. That's right, you don't need a huge bank account to get started on your journey to online income. We're talking about accessible, beginner-friendly methods that anyone can try. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of the internet and start padding your pockets, stick around because we're about to break it all down. Let's get started. Unleash your skills freelancing for beginners. First up, we've got freelancing. Now, freelancing is like the Wild West of online earning. You've got a skill, someone out there needs it. Maybe you're a writing whiz, a graphic design guru, or a coding ninja. Whatever your talent, there are online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and find clients willing to pay for your expertise. The best part is, you're your own boss. You set your rates, choose your projects, and work from wherever you want. It's all about connecting with the right people and delivering high-quality work. And as you build your portfolio and reputation, you can even start charging more for your services. It's a real opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Easy money cashing in with online surveys. Next, let's talk about online surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys? Really? But hear me out, because this can be a super easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer paid surveys on a variety of topics. You won't get rich doing this, but it's a simple way to earn rewards, gift cards, or even cash just by sharing your thoughts. Plus, it's something you can do from anywhere, anytime. Waiting for a bus? Survey time. Commercials on TV? More surveys. It's all about maximizing those little pockets of free time. Chapter 3. Become an online advocate. The power of affiliate marketing. Now, if you're looking for a way to earn passive income, affiliate marketing might be your jam. It's all about promoting products or services you love and earning a commission for every sale you drive. Think of it like being an online influencer, but instead of just likes, you're getting paid. Find a niche that interests you, whether it's gaming, fashion, or anything in between, and partner with companies that offer affiliate programs. You can then share your unique affiliate links on your social media, website, or even in YouTube video descriptions. The more people click your links and make a purchase, the more money you make. It's a win-win. Chapter 4. Build your empire blogging and YouTube for the long game. Let's talk about building something big, something that can generate income for years to come. I'm talking about starting a blog or a YouTube channel. This one takes time and dedication, but the payoff can be huge. Find a topic you're passionate about, whether it's cooking, gaming, travel, or anything else that gets you fired up. Create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and watch your community grow. As your audience grows, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. The key here is consistency. Post regularly, interact with your followers, and always strive to provide value. It's about building a brand, a loyal following, and a sustainable source of income. Chapter 5. Create once, sell forever. The magic of digital products. Finally, let's talk about digital products. This is where things get really interesting. Digital products are like the gift that keeps on giving. You create them once and you can sell them over and over again without any additional cost. Think ebooks, online courses, stock photos, website templates. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify a need in the market and create a high-quality product that provides real value. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. This is a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge, skills, and creativity to generate passive income. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic ways to start earning money online without any investment. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and the opportunities are endless. The key is to find what you're passionate about, put in the effort, and never give up on your dreams. Who knows, you might just become the next online success story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.